Hi everyone, let's now go to Tuwad-Tuwadan Blue Lagoon and Cagnipa Rolling Hills. It is found at the northernmost part of Catanduanes Island. From San Andres Port, take a van or bus and go to Pandan. Once you reach Pandan, you will see the signage going to Karangyaan Beach Resort. Then from the main road, you will pass by the entrance going to Karangyaan Beach Resort. Dire-diretso lang, and then you will now again turn right. And you will also pass by a school at the left side. From the main highway, it's around 4 kilometers approximately. The picture on the right is where we stop and park. It was barangay and SK election day, and we saw kids around the area. So nag-ask kami if may ginigibo sinda since holiday man. Sabi ninda it's just around 10 minutes. So ayan, nagpaiba kami. From what I know, accessible ang Tuwad-Tuwadan Lagoon before, via bangka lang. And minsan may difficulty to dock kasi rocky shores siya. Pandan is very panoramic. Hills to see and blue skies everywhere. Medyo may sure lang that time sa Catanduanes. That's why medyo gloomy sa ibang parts of this video. But it was a good day outside. You can actually hear the wind in this video even if naka-fast forward siya. Dakol kong karab o diti. The wind is getting stronger. By the way, you can check out my other video. It's an aerial view of the Cagnipa Rolling Hills and Tuwad-Tuwadan Blue Lagoon. Medyo struggle lang kasi makasugon talaga si Duros. Everywhere is just beautiful. Just beside that white building is the stairs going down to the trail. Medyo steep, that's why be very careful. Wala ito before. Since it's becoming famous, they now made a staircase going down the pool to make it more accessible. There are pros and cons to this. Since it's more accessible, the more that we should be responsible enough when we go here. Sad to say, I saw a few trash sa baba. May mineral water bottle and some plastics near the natural pool. So please, travel responsibly wherever we go. Nakikibisita lang po kita, so make sure you don't leave anything behind. We stayed here for an hour and nasolo mi ang Tuwad-Tuwadan Blue Lagoon. After an hour, saka lang may nag-abot na iba. They were also guided by 2 kids. By the way, don't forget to give them something. So there you reach Tuwad-Tuwadan Blue Lagoon. Enjoy the waves, the sea, the rocks, the tiny fishes, and everything in between. Until next time, ingat!